Yes, people, nice one for tuning in. We've got a belter for you today. Nice Audi A6, very dirty. Big up to cast plates for our custom reg plates. Now let me show you around the car. Filthy wheels. Wait till you see these at the end, they look completely different. Lots of lovely dirt all around the skirts. Yeah, we're going to make sure this car's absolutely gleaming by the end of this. Don't forget to drop a comment below where you're from, what country, what city. Just want to see where people are watching from. What? Nice and dirty. I know that's just the way you guys like them. Make sure you're hitting that like button if you like what you see. First time we've used the number plates on a video, and I'm pretty impressed. So you're going to see a lot more of them. Let's give you a little cheeky tour of the inside. We give it a deep clean inside. But yeah, very nice ride, very nice luxury ride, this one. So we're going to start off by hitting it with the Nitty Gritty pre-wash by Dual Auto Care. This is one of our favourite pre-washes at the moment. Our go-to one. We've been through quite a lot of pre-washes since we've been doing this job, and this one stuck out the most. So yeah, anyone that's looking for a new pre-wash, if their one's not doing the job, don't be shy, go check it out. Dual Auto Care. I'll stick a cheeky link in the description so you guys can check it out. I'm just trying to put you in the right path for some good products. So yeah, let's get to it. So we're going to apply the pre-wash all over the car, windows, doors, wheels, wheel arches, wherever you can think. Just get it on and get it ready to rinse off. By just pre-washing the car first, it's making it a lot easier to clean the car and a lot safer. So you're not rubbing in dirt straight away by doing a contact wash without pre-washing the full vehicle. Right, so now we're going to go around the wheels with some Red 7. It's an iron fallout remover. Removes all the iron out the wheels. We just use it sometimes with the pre-washes. It just seems to work well for us. Let me know down in the comments what you start off with your wheels, or what you wash your wheels with, what products, what works best for you. Time for the fun part, what everyone loves. Jet washing the pre-wash off. Let's go. Here you can see the Nitty Gritty doing its job, foaming up nice, getting rid of all that underlaying dirt that you can't really see, and the visible dirt. Get ready for the transformation on this one. You're not going to be ready, because it's going to start shining just after we've done the pre-wash, never mind the snow film, contact wash. We even treated the customer to a bit of flex on the outside to give him that little winter protection over the next couple of months while the weather's a bit grimy. Because living in Manchester, we don't really normally see sun in October, so as details we've got to take advantage of the sun and just get as many bookings in as we can over this little summer period, because we all know how it's like in the winter. It can get a bit rough. Better get a bit cold, a bit snowy, and no one wants to work outdoors in that, but unfortunately we've got bills to pay, so it is what it is. Make sure you're subscribing so I don't have to work over the winter. I'm only joking, but yeah, make sure you're subscribing. So as you can see, the red bleeding out the wheels, that's the red 7 doing its magic, pulling everything out. Don't worry, that's going to get blasted off while we get rid of all the pre-wash. Drop a comment and tell me what you think of my new reg plates, MCR Auto Clean. If you like them, you like them. If you don't, you don't. Just try keep the positive comments. I don't mind a few if you're telling me how it is. Just keep it positive, guys. Little cheeky add-on that we like to throw in there, just a quick engine bay wipe over, quick clean, nothing too detailed. Right, so onto the snow foam. We're going to use the Assault Snow Foam by Dual Auto Care. Big up Dual Auto Care every time, all the products. They never let you down, I can tell you that. They never let you down. Good people as well, go check them out. Get your seatbelts on, it's time for the money shot. So we're going to go around the whole car with this snow foam and apply it to all the windows, all the doors, all the skirts, every single wheel, wheel arches, wherever you can get this snow foam, apply it to the lot. This is a second pre-wash, just to make it extra safe before we actually get to the contact wash. When you're dealing with other people's cars, you've got to take extra care. It's not your car at the end of the day. It could be a costly mistake if you scratch it. It's just one of the risks, but if you know what you're doing, you should never scratch a car while washing it. And that's a fact. Now the snow foam's been applied, we're just going to let it start doing its magic, drag all the dirt down. So all you oddly satisfied lovers, all you ASMR lovers, this is your time, so I'm going to shut up. So we're going to make a mix for the contact wash using Bahama Blue. I'll do auto care again. Great. Another money shot for you lot. Sit back, seatbelts on. Let's go. So we all remember what condition the wheels came to us in. We're going to give them a quick blast now. Get in underneath them, get everywhere, do the tyres, everything. This is our new brush. First time using it, so we're pretty happy to use it. And look at it go. It's a goodie, that. Yeah, this one's a goodie, definitely. Oh. Great. What we've been waiting for. The contact wash. This part of the clean is where we get hands on and really give the car the shine. And due to pre-washing it at the start, there will be no scratches. There'll be no dirt lingering around to catch the mitt. And while you're doing the contact wash, just make sure you go left to right, left to right, left to right. No circular motions that could possibly leave swirls on the car. Don't forget to always give your mitt a little drain while you're washing away. And voila, a piece of art right there for you. My phone died while we were jet washing it off. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe, it means a lot. We're trying to get to that 1,000 followers. And this is just the start, many more. Lots more cars to come. But yeah, thank you. We'll see you again on the next video.